In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Trello board from scratch. If you're new to Trello, a board is your main workspace where projects, tasks, or routines live. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to open Trello, start a fresh board, and set it up with the right name, workspace, visibility, and background, so it's clear, organized, and share ready. First, open your browser and head to Trello. Then sign in so you land on your home dashboard. This is the central place where you can see your workspaces and recently used boards. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're signed in to the one where you want the new board to live. Next, look to the top header bar. Click the Create button. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a plus icon right next to your profile picture. Both open the same creation menu, so use whichever you see. From the drop-down, choose Create Board. This tells Trello you want to start a brand new workspace board rather than a card or something else. Now you'll customize the core details. Start with the title. Pick a name that's clear and immediately recognizable, like Weekly To-Do List or Project Roadmap. Keep it short but specific, so you and your collaborators can spot it quickly in a long list of boards. If you manage multiple initiatives, consider adding a prefix or date for consistency. Next, choose the workspace. This determines who can easily find and access the board. If you collaborate with a team, select that team's workspace so the board shows up where they already work. If you're creating something just for yourself, your personal workspace is usually the right choice. Then, set the visibility. Private means only people you explicitly invite can view the board. Workspace visibility makes it discoverable to anyone in the selected workspace, which is helpful for internal collaboration. Public makes the board visible to anyone on the internet, even if they're not logged in. Use public sparingly and never include sensitive details. It's best for templates, documentation, or resources you intentionally want to share broadly. Add a background to keep things visually organized. You can pick a solid color for a clean, high-contrast look, or choose an image if you want something more branded. Whichever you select, make sure your card text will remain easy to read. Subtle, low-contrast images are often best. When everything looks right, click Create. Trello will generate your new board and open it immediately, ready for you to start organizing. That's it. Your Trello board is set up with a thoughtful name, the right workspace, the correct visibility, and a clean background so you can get to work with confidence.